Hey guys, what's up? This is JRP77 from JGN Games, and I'm going to be continuing my tutorial series on how to make a 2D RPG in Unity 3D. Now, last time we made that animator where it would fade between the scenes, and it looked okay. And if that's the look you're going for, that's fine, but if not, I have two scripts. I'm going to put this script up for download. I'm not going to explain it, but it's made by the CEO of Brackeys, or whoever made it. But the CEO of Brackeys actually explains it, and I'll put a link to the video as an annotation somewhere. But basically, you use this, and then you modify the enter/exit. I'll put a download link to the enter-room script. So yeah, let's jump right in on how to set it up. So you're going to go to Game Object, Create Empty, and we're going to call this _GM. Because it's case sensitive, so you have to make it capital letters. Then we're going to put the fade on here. Then for this fade texture, we're going to set this to just a solid black image. I find mine by searching on Safari for black square, and I just chose the first one. It's like 1024, 1024. And then I just put that on there. And then we're going to set the fade speed to 0.5. Now, we are going to go to our player. And I think it's it's on our plane, on our enter or exit script. Where is it? Player, and this is okay. So as you can see, I've deleted the animator stuff. So yeah, that's what that is. So now if we, I'm just gonna make this as a prefab so that I can, and then save the scene, go into room 1, and drag in the game manager. So yeah, now that should work. So if I hit play, you'll notice it fades on. It's very nicely done. And then if we, as soon as we hit here, it fades off. So yeah, that's how to get that set up. So now what I want to do in this tutorial is do interactable objects like chests and stuff. Later actors, but this is just the first step. So I'm just gonna create a plane by hitting Game Object, Create 3D Object, Plane, rotate on the X, it's on the X, -90, we're going to scale it down to 0.5, okay, and then I'm going to change this to just the building one for now, and move this out. So you notice we got this. I got this ugly black thing. So I'm going to position this just in the center. Kind of scale it up like that. But kind of scale it down. Something like that. Yeah, so 0.3 by, that doesn't matter, by 0.12. Actually, that does matter. Yes, you have to keep that variable. So now we're just going to move this up. And to start off, we are going to keep this. We're just going to set this to convex for now. Actually, no. Let's get rid of this. Add a box collider. Just keep it like that. Now we're going to create an empty child object. And on here, we're going to add another box collider. And we're going to scale it to where it appears to be the width, and then the height, the Z, we're going to scale like that. Now I'm going to set the center and move that, it's local, I forgot, on the Z down to where it's kind of like that, to where that post hits that, and then we hit edit collider, go into scene view, just kind of rotate around. You'll notice that's way, way too thick, and that failed epically. Okay, so first we want to drag, I hate it when it does this. Game Object, Edit Collider, zoom in, grab this dot, move it down to where it's like that. And then if we go to the side view, I don't like the position of that, so I'm just going to make it like that. Get a tad thinner. Alright. This one we will set to isTrigger. Turn off Edit Collider, and you'll see we got a pretty good chest. So now, we are going to give this an interactable object. We're going to make this an interactable object by creating a new script, C# called chest script. We're going to open this up, make it full screen so I can actually try to make it a bit bigger. And then we are going to add some stuff. So for now, we're just going to say public string tag name semicolon. Then we're going to say public string message semicolon. Then we're going to get down to void on trigger enter collider call if call dot game object dot tag is equal double equal sign to tag name debug dot log message. Okay, so that should work for now. So we're just gonna go into here. Okay, and then hold on one second. Alright, back to the script. So now we're just going to put this chest script onto the second game object, because that's the one that has isTrigger. Set the tag name to Intractable. Actually, no, this has to go on the player. On the one that has the trigger collider. Yeah, it's right here. This is where we put our chest script, interactable, chest open. Now we're going to go to our game object, or just our plane in general. We're going to tag this as interactable. I've already set the tag, but if you haven't, you just go to add tag, add tag, then just add in one of these. So now, if we play, and we ride up to here, we still aren't getting that message. It was because I forgot to tag it. That's one of the things that I don't like about this version of Unity. Oh, I did tag it. Tag this too. Okay, so alright, that was just my bad. You have to tag both objects. So, yeah, that was a fairly quick tutorial on how to do that. But that's how you make interactable objects in Unity. So now that actually works. That actually works really good. Next, you guessed it, we are doing inventory and next we're actually going to do pause menu, so that we can pause the game and do all that stuff. And next, after that, I'm hoping to do inventory. And inventory is going to be a lot of fun because I've never done something like inventory, and I'm going to try to figure something like that out. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.